now that we have a whole bunch of clear slime, let's see what special crafts we can put inside. We have here googly eyes and buttons and beads and glitter. Ooh, this is gonna be so much fun. So let's open this up. Oh, look how clear that is. It's beautiful. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. So what should we put in first? Let's see, I think, let's make it nice and round. Let's fold it over a couple times, like this, and like that. We'll fold it over and make it nice and slimy. Nice and slimy. Mmm, look at that, so nice. Now let's make it round. Let's make it round. What should we start with? I think I would like to start with, let's put some, let's start with glitter. Let's start with, let's see, what color should we start? I think I'm gonna start with this. This is a beautiful light purple glitter. So let's put, we're gonna start with, there, beautiful. And now let's take another color glitter. What would go well with that? I think light blue. Yeah. Let's see how this will look. Should we do another color? Let's do one more color. How about, let's do pink, blue, and silver. Let's try that. Very nice. And let's fold it over. This side, and this side, this side. This looks really nice. Wow. Let's try to mix all the colors. Let's pick up all the glitter from everywhere. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Do you hear that? Look what we got. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Should we put some beads inside? Actually, yeah, let's put, what color beads should we put inside? I'm thinking to put in some pink beads. Here we have a bunch of pink little styrofoam beads. And just like that. Beautiful. And let's see what we get. Let's fold it over. Where did the beads go? They're gone. Let's see. Oh, there they are. Look at that. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. Feels amazing. That's really nice. Look at that. Wow. I love it. Okay, let's put him away. We're gonna put you away, and we're gonna save you for another time when we're gonna play with you. Let's see what other beautiful kind of slime we could make. Oh, look how clear this is. Wow. Maybe we'll keep it inside, and let's take some nail polish and put this inside here. Look at that. We got pink nail polish. What other color should we use? Should we use yellow? Let's use yellow nail polish. Look at that. It smells like paint. Is nail polish paint? Maybe it's a kind of paint. Now, let's take it out and try to mix it up. I'm a little worried to get the nail polish on my fingers because it's gonna stain my fingers. Let's see what else we can make. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Let's take him out. Take him out. Oh, look at that, nice and sticky. We gotta play with it a little bit so it's gonna be less sticky. The more you play with the slime, the less sticky it becomes, the easier it is to play with. So fold it over this way, and that way, and this way, and that way. What should we put inside this? Let's see. I think we're gonna make a smiley face. What smiley face are we gonna make? We're gonna make two friends that are having Avas Yisrael together. Let's see if we can do that. Two friends that have Avas Yisrael together. So let's take googly eyes, and we're gonna put one over here, and one over here, and another one over here, and another one over here. Beautiful. Then let's take some buttons, and we'll use a purple button for his nose, and we'll use a green button for his nose. We'll call him Chaim and Shnitzel. And then we're gonna take some beautiful little beads. Here we have beads. And let's use this as a mouth. Look at that. Yeah. This is Chaim's mouth. So beautiful. Hi, Chaim. And Shnitzel. We're gonna use green for him. Let's make a nice mouth for him. Look at that. Very nice. That looks like a nice mouth, right? And what else can we put? Now these boys, Chaim and Shnitzel, they like to learn a lot of Torah and do a lot of mitzvahs, and therefore they get a lot of stars from their Rebbe. So here we're gonna give them a bunch of stars. We're gonna make the stars like here. See? Like that. Oh, very, very nice. See that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And of course, we need to use a little bit of sprinkles. Oh, look at this. Let's give them, what color should we use? Okay, we're gonna give them a little bit of green sprinkles on the bottom here. He gets a little bit of green. Sprinkles? These are not sprinkles. This is glitter. Why am I saying sprinkles? And then we're gonna use a little bit of light blue for Shnitzel. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Now, we are going to mix it up. Are you ready? Let's see. Okay, Chaim and Shnitzel, they love each other, and they always do Avas Yisrael, and they always listen to their Rebbe. Let's see what we got. Let's see how they're gonna look. Oh, look at that. I guess no more Chaim, no more Shnitzel, no more battle. They're all mixed up. Look at that. Ooh, that looks really nice. I like this. So satisfying. Amazing. This was fun. Let's put them away for later. We'll play with you later. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye. There you go. Chaim and Shnitzel, go to sleep. You have to have enough rest for tomorrow. Gotta learn a lot of Torah in your class. Let's see what else we're gonna do. Oh, here we have another nice, clear slime. Let's take him out. Oh, look at this. Pink. Let's add some of this pink little, what is it? Looks like confection paper. Pink. Let's mix it up and see what we get. Let's see how nice that looks. Whoa, that looks nice. Look how beautiful. That's gorgeous. Look how shiny it looks. Wow. Let's add something else. Should we add some pink glitter? I think we should add some pink glitter. Let's see how this is gonna look. Whoa. And now let's add some pink little styrofoam ballies. Let's see how this is gonna look. This is gonna be all pink. I know some of you guys are gonna like that color. Who here likes the color pink? Now let's mix it up. It looks all mixed up. Can't see anything. Oh, that's beautiful. Look how gorgeous. That's nice. So amazing. Look at that. Feels awesome. And it feels like bumpy. That's amazing. Let's put this guy away and let's make another one. Good. Stay right over there. Look at the colors we have over here. We have a light pink, a darker pink. We have a yellow and a green. Oh, these feel amazing. Oh, look at that. It smells really good. Let's see what we're gonna add. Let's add a bunch of stuff to this. How about we take some of these little gold stars. Let's add this gold to the yellow. That would be a good idea. Yeah. So let's take this and pour some in here. Very nice. Let's see what we get. Oh, that looks amazing. We have, it looks like floating stars. Isn't that awesome? And what should we add to the pink? I think, oh, look what we have over here. These are little pink teardrops. We're supposed to be happy, not sad. Okay, let's put some pink teardrops over here. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, spread it out. Let's fold it over. Oh yeah, that feels awesome. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So beautiful. And what color should we put in the green? Let's see. I'm thinking, let's put in the green, how about we put all these little beads, a bunch of these little colorful beads. Let's see how they look. Oh, they're gorgeous. And I'm thinking maybe we should put another thing inside. How about we put this purple over here? This is, it looks like confetti or something. Very, very small confetti. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. Look at that. Mix it up. Hey, don't come out. Hey, stay inside. Looks like it wants to come out. This one looks very, very busy. Let's mix it up. Hey, they're falling out. Don't fall out, beads. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one's like very, very busy. See? It's very, very busy. Has all sorts of colors. And what should we do in the last pink one there? I'm thinking, ooh, let's put some of these big ballies inside it. Let's see how that's gonna look. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And now let's mix it up. Stay in. Hey, get back over here. Don't jump away. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Wow, feels really good. It's like tickling me. Hey, get back inside, don't fall outside. Stay in there. So this one here has like a bunch of little ballies. Should we try to mix them all together? How about we mix this and this? Let's put this near it. And let's put this one right near it over here. And we'll put this one over here. Now, let's fold it over. And let's roll it. Look at that. It starts from yellow, and it's like light pink, and dark pink, and purple, and blue. That looks like primary colors and secondary colors. And now let's mix it some more. Ooh. And wow. Look at those colors. Wow. Gorgeous. I see some blue, purple, pink, greens, yellows. That's amazing. Should we put something else inside? How about we put, I think we need some glitter. Let's put, how about some white glitter inside? Ooh, let's see how that's gonna be. And let's put, what other color glitter could we put inside? Let's see what we have here. Ooh, this one here is a very, very light pink. Let's put this inside here. And our last color, what other color should we put? Should we put a yellow? Maybe a yellow is what we need. Let's put a little bit of yellow glitter inside. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look. Wow. This is so much fun. I love doing this. I could do this all day. Oh, this feels really, really good. Let's see if we can make a bubble. Listen to this. Oh, that was amazing. Let's try that again. Let's try to make another bubble. Let's fold it over. Oh, awesome. Look what we have over here. Here we have ice cream slime. What flavor is this? It looks like chocolate. And this over here would be vanilla and blueberry maybe, and strawberry and pineapple. What color is pineapple ice cream? I don't know. And this over here maybe is mint. Let's play with this. Let's see what we got. Oh, this feels really, really nice. Look at that. Smells good too. Actually, it smells like shampoo. That's another thing you can put into your slime, shampoo, to make it feel really good. Look at this color, wow. This is a beautiful green. And let's mix the brown with the white, the chocolate with vanilla, and let's see what we get. Maybe we're gonna get a nice, soft, light brown. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, what are we gonna put inside? I'm thinking that we are gonna put, ooh, look at this. This over here is little red circles. Let's open it up carefully with a scissor. And we're gonna pour it. Where should we pour the purple? I think we're gonna pour the purple inside. Which one does it look the best in? I'm thinking green. Let's see how this looks. Let's mix it up. It's kind of hard to see it. It disappeared. Hey, it disappeared. Can't really see it. So, you know what? Let's take some green beads and put it inside. I think for this, that's what we need. Green beads. Just like that. And on top of that, we're gonna use some green little styrofoam beads. Yeah, there you go. That should be perfect. And now let's mix it up. And let's see how it's gonna look. Let's see if it will look nice. Kind of, but I still don't see it. The difference between this and these ones is that this is clear, so you could see through it. But this one over here, you can't really see it unless the bees are sticking out. See that? Let's try to do one more. Let's put, let's see. I think we should put a bunch of pink beads in this one. That's gonna make it look very nice. Yeah. Let's see how this looks. It sounds very crunchy. Oh, look at that. So you can see it. You can see the bumps and you could feel them. And I guess the pink works well with the red. Look at that, very nice. What should we put in the brown chocolate? I'm thinking let's put yellow. Let's put the yellow in the brown and see what happens. Okay, that should work. Uh-oh, they're falling out. Let's try to get all of them. There you go. And now let's mix it up. Now what's happening? Hey, stay inside, don't fall out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I think I like that. Look at those colors. You got brown with yellow polka dots. How beautiful. This looks like nice chocolate ice cream. I wonder if we can make an ice cream cone. Let's see, so the bottom color, the bottom is gonna be brown. And on top of that, we're gonna make, let's see, what other flavor do we like on top of our ice cream? On top of chocolate, we're gonna put mint, right? And let's put strawberry on top of that. Let's see if it can do it before it falls. Hey, don't fall. Good. Yeah, strawberry. And now we're gonna put blueberry and vanilla flavor together. Quickly, hey, don't fall, stay there. Let's put this together over here. Ooh, and the last one. This over here would be raspberry. What color is purple? What color is purple ice cream? Hey, get back up over here. Don't fall. Go like that, there you go. See, give my big ice cream pile. It's falling. Is it an ice cream or is it a snowman? Maybe it's a little snowman. Now let's take them all together and roll them out. Ooh, look at this. This is really nice. We got our purple, our blue, our pink, our green, our brown. Let's see what happens if we mix it all together. Look at those colors. Beautiful. I'm really enjoying this. This is really, really fun. Look at that. Amazing. Now we can make it into a big bally. Ooh. And let's see if it bounces. Let's see if the bally bounces. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Oh, look at that bally. And oh, it bounces! Boing, 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 boing. You know, what if we take it and we make it into 3 ballies? Maybe we can do a little juggling show. Should we do that? Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Let's do a juggling show. So here we have 1 bally, here we have another bally, and here we have another bally. And we could either make a snowman or we can make, hey, they got stuck again together. Don't get stuck, they stick so quickly. This is for you, and for you. And let's juggle. I did it, yeah, yeah. I did it, yeah, yeah. I did it, yeah. Here we have red, purple, and green. Let's see what we can do with this. So let's spread it out. And we have over here, let's see, oh, look how cute this is. This over here is little hearts. I think we're gonna put the little hearts, the pink hearts, in the purple. Just like that, yeah. And let's take some of this purple, and this is like sparkly sticks. Good. And let's take some, here we have little blue stars. We're gonna put some blue stars there. A red, sparkly glitter. It's like a stick. See that? We're gonna put around the green. I think we're gonna put this purple go well. Yeah, purple. What is this? These look like little fish. So let's cut this open carefully and put, oh yeah, just like that. And we're gonna put some green little sparkly glitter. And let's mix it up and see what we get. Let's start with the green. Look at that guy, wow. Looks spooky. Very, very spooky. Let's do the pink. Oh, look at that. It's really nice. It's really nice. I like that. And let's do the purple with the hearts. Look how gorgeous that one is. Wow, that's amazing. Looks like the purple and the green really go together. Looks scary. Oh. And here we got the beautiful pink. And we got the purple. Look at that. Should we mix them together? Or let's put them back in their containers. And we're gonna save them for another time. And we get to play with them whenever we like. You go back in here. See you later. Bye-bye. And let's put the pipe-o in here. Just like that. And the last one is green. Bye-bye. See you later, green. Have fun. Here we have a light blue. And we're gonna use how about a dark blue? Let's use a dark blue as well. Dark blue. And let's use one more color. Let's use how about a purple? Dark. Yeah. Look at those colors. Here we got 3 different colors. So let's see, what are we gonna use? What are we gonna put in here? I'm thinking we should put in a bunch of, what are these? Oh, let's put in some of these, some of the stars. And let's put some of the, let's put in the dark glitter in this guy. Yeah. And let's put in something light in this one because this is darker. So how about we put in, is that gonna work? Or how about we put in silver glitter in this one? And what should we put in this one here? How about we put in, let's see what color goes well. That one. Or maybe, no. Should we put in this? I say let's put in some blue sprinkles, yeah. And we gotta put some bead inside. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Let's find a nice bead. How about we put, I'm thinking, I really like this purple over here. Let's put this in this one here. Yeah, that matches. And let's take some pink and put it in here to lighten it up a little bit. How about that? Ooh, that's a lot. And let's take, and this guy over here, how about we take some silver stars and put it over here. Yes, okay. What should we start with? Let's start with the dark blue and the light pink. Let's mix it together and let's see what we get. Oh, look at that. For some reason, Dr. Shnitzel loves this color. Look at that, wow. That's gorgeous. Let's do this one now. Let's see how this one's gonna come out. You think it came out well? That's interesting. Wow, that's really nice. Let's spread it out so we can see how it looks. Look at that. And the last one, let's fold it over this way, this way, this way, this way. And let's mix it around. Which one do you like the best? The dark blue, the light blue, or the purple? Should we mix them all together? Okay, let's mix it all together. Okay, we're gonna put them near each other. And actually, let's see if we can make a challah out of all three of them. Let's try to make a better challah than we did before. The last time it didn't really work so well. Let's try to make a challah. Here's one. Here's two. And here is our third challah. Yeah, now we're gonna go like this. And I think we go like this, like this, like this, like this. Hey, it's falling apart. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Didn't really work out. But look what we can do. We can mix them all together. Look at those colors. Oh, this looks really amazing. Yeah, I like this a lot. Look what we have over here. We have white slime. Look at this. This looks really, really nice. I'm thinking that we are gonna take, let's see, I'm thinking maybe we'll put different beads inside this. Look at this. Remember, this was made with the white glue, not with the clear glue. Look at that. I'm thinking to put green little styrofoam beads in one. Oh, let's see how that's gonna look. Let's see, let's fold it over. Just like that. Beads are hiding. Oh, here they're coming out. Look at that. Amazing. I think we might need to put some more in there. And what should we put in the other one? Let's see, let's put in the other one, I'm thinking to put pink. Let's see, let's put some pink over here. We're gonna put a lot of pink. Yeah, there you go. And let's mix it together. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's nice. It takes the white, which looks very plain, and it makes it very, very pretty. Here we got pink. I'm thinking maybe we should put, hey, stay back inside here. They keep falling out. Just to add to the beauty. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's awesome. But I can't really see those pieces. Where did they go? Okay, it's making a little bit shiny. Maybe we're gonna add some pink glitter to this. Let's see how that's gonna look. Yeah. Is it making it look better? Yeah, look at that. We have nice glitter inside. So nice. And what about the green? Let's add some green to this. Should we add some blue? Maybe let's add some blue. And we're gonna add blue sprinkles. Sprinkles? We're gonna add blue glitter. It's changing colors. It's changing colors. Look at that. Is that pretty? What happens if we mix pink and blue together? What color are we gonna get? I think we're gonna get purple. Should we try to do that? Okay, let's mix it together. Roly, roly. Let's see how it's gonna look. Interesting. Is it turning purple? Let's add some purple glitter. And let's add some blue. Here we got, let's get a nice blue, nice light blue. There you have it. It started off white, and now it's all these beautiful colors. Amazing.